Hey guys and gals, Justin here with J Hart Model Works coming to you with another shop card shout out, and today's shop card is coming to us from Tim over at Throttle Power. I'm sure everybody watching me knows who Tim is. If you don't, go ahead and follow Tim. Follow that link up there to get to Tim's channel. Tim is a great model builder, absolutely awesome guy. He also does a lot of videos from model car shows. I've never been to a show, so seeing kind of what's going on at the model car shows is really cool. Also, with the way things have been, some of us haven't gotten out very much lately, and working from home like I am now, I don't leave the house other than go to the grocery store now. That's the only time I leave, and picking up my daughter from work. So I mean, it's kind of like getting to get out of the house and go somewhere when I see one of Tim's videos. Tim also does a lot of really neat stuff with one-to-one car shows as well, which is great reference material if you're building some cars. You might see a paint job that you want to replicate or something. Just awesome material, so go ahead and give Tim a look right up there. I'm working on getting these as quickly as I can. I've got a stack of these to get through. There's about 3 of them now I need to do, so I'm getting this one done. Jim and Ron, I'm getting to y'all as soon as I can. Work has been real crazy lately. So, as always guys, thanks for watching. Keep modeling and have a great day.